Hi, I am ASHRITH from Srinivas Institute of Technology, studying BE first year, first semester. My branch is Computer Science and Engineering. Name of the product for this activity is Protective Headgear. My company name is Beyond Limits. This is the company logo. Mentioning some of the requirement and feeling about the product as said by the customers during the empathizing activity. First one, impact resistance. The helmet meets the required safety standards. Second one, full coverage. The coverage is good, providing protection for the entire top and sides of the head. Third, fit and adjustability. The helmet has an adjustable strap system that allows for a snug and secure fit. Fourth one, weight. It's relatively lightweight, making it comfortable to wear for extended periods without causing neck strain. Last one, price. The price seems justified given the level of protection it provides. Based on the empathizing stage and considering the feelings and requirements of customers, many new features are to be added to the existing product. Features to be added: cooling system, gel pads or small fans for temperature regulation, reflective material, 360-degree reflective strips for low lightweight safety, waterproof design, materials resistant to rain and extreme weather, Bluetooth communication, built-in wireless communication for hands-free use, health sensors, tracks heart rate, temperature and stress levels, antimicrobial liners, reduces odor and keeps helmet hygienic. Futuristic product name is Sculpforce. In prototype stage, the real working model has to be manufactured. Due to time constraint, the mentor advised to draw a sketch. The sketch is given below. Here, these are the tiny holes for air passing. Here, this is the micro camera. These are the sensors for audibility. On the upper side of the helmet, we can add health sensors to analyze the health condition. Testing. As actual working models are not prepared, the testing stage is considered as the positive comments received for this presentation video. I request the viewers of this presentation video to comment your opinion to satisfy the testing stage. Thank you.